Hello everyone, this short video is to show you how to access documents that we have put in the Resources for Course Designers area and how to use these documents and resources in your own Moodle area. So I'm here at the front page of the Moodle as usual, and I need to click on Development and Training. Then I select Moodle Training and click on that, and you can see right at the top of the list the Resources for Course Designers. So if I click there, you will find that you're in a very simple Moodle course area, and all that there is in this area are 4 folders, each of which contain documents. Most of the documents are in the RI Training Manuals October 2010 folder. So if I click on that, a list of those documents comes in. The document I've decided I want to use is the Rotary Volunteers Handbook, and here it is. If I were to just click on that, you'd see this document opening up in a separate window. That's what I want to happen in my own Moodle area. So what you have to do is you have to right-click on the document you want. I'm clicking on Copy Link Location, but the wording here will change depending on the browser you're using. I think in Internet Explorer it's Copy Shortcuts, but here in Firefox it's Copy Link Location. So I click on that. Then I go to my own course. Here's the list of courses again. To show you what I'm doing, I'm going to go to the demo area. I've decided I want to link to this volunteer handbook in topic 2. So the first thing I do is to turn on editing if it's not already on. I need to add a resource, so I click on Add a Resource. Link to a file or website. The first thing it asks me to do is to put in the title of this resource, so I'll call it Volunteer Handbook. Then I go down to the link to a file or website, and I need to paste the location in there, which I've already copied. So I first of all select what's already there to avoid having HTTP in twice. I press Ctrl V to paste, and that's basically it. However, you need to decide whether you want this to appear in the same window. In other words, if somebody clicks on it, it will replace the window they're already looking at. I think it's very useful to put it into a new window. So I'm going to click New Window. If I go over here now and click on Show Advanced, I can change the size of that window. I'll leave it at the default settings for the moment. I think they're a bit small, but if I leave it at the default settings, it will help you to make a judgment about that. Save and return to course. So I scroll to the bottom and click Save and Return to Course. And now I'm back on my course page. If I go down to topic 2, I can see here the link to Volunteer Handbook. And if I click on that link, then the handbook appears in a new window. That's really how you create a link to one of the resources that is in the area that we've created. But I think there's an important point to bear in mind, that if you just provide links to pre-existing documents in Moodle, then you're not really making the most of the interactive potential of Moodle. Now, it's fine to link to existing documents, but I think also you need to think about how you could use the various features of Moodle sometimes to split up the material that exists in these documents, to split it up into manageable chunks that include interactive features, quizzes, etc. So by all means have links to pre-existing documents, that's really useful, but also think about chunking up the material into smaller and more manageable pieces of information. And a final point, if you are copying and pasting information out of a Word document because you've decided that rather than have the whole document you'd like to divide it up. If you are copying out of a Word document, please remember to copy and paste into Notebook first, and then copy and paste from there into Moodle. And that way you will avoid getting some of the nonsense that happens in the HTML if you copy direct from Word. That's all for now. Thanks very much. Bye.